Good morning and welcome to this week's installment of You Be the Judge. We're here on a taped episode this week, a little bit unusual for us because we are doing this on Wednesday instead of Sunday morning in light of the fact that today is a very special day in our area and we wanted to bring you some special guests on this day. When most of us think about Memorial Day, we think about a nice picnic lunch on a sunny day on the last Monday in May of every year, sort of signifying the unofficial start of summer. Today, however, Memorial Day takes on a different aspect. Today, meaning today, Wednesday, April the 28th, is Workers' Memorial Day. And it is a day set aside to honor workers who have been killed or injured in the line of work or as a result of an illness that developed from work. And I am pleased to be joined by two special guests today. Eric Schubert, the representative from AFSCME, the local union for all of the state, municipal, and county workers, as well as with Dennis Giordano, who is the assistant district
executive for maintenance in engineering district 40, Jerry.
Dennis, what happens is when I write this stuff down, I can't even read my own handwriting sometimes. So. Dennis is here to talk to us a little bit as well about Workers' Memorial Day, as well as the impact that this has had on the area, particularly with relation to PENNDOT workers. Gentlemen, good morning.
Good morning, Jerry.
Good morning, Jerry. Thank you for having us.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you guys for coming. Eric, let's start with you because you're a returnee. You and I were together last year, and so let's talk a little bit about bringing ourselves up to speed. Workers' Memorial Day, what does that mean?
Well, it gives us time to reflect on our members who have died in the line of duty, and that we can reflect on them, which we have a monument up there at the District 40 office, which was a combined effort between management and the union, which we came up with a plaque to remember our 10 brothers who died out there in the line of duty who didn't go home to their families that night.
And it's interesting, you and I were talking, and you reminded me, tonight is going to be the first time that memorial is actually served as the centerpiece of a Workers' Memorial Vigil.
That's right, Jerry. Last year, November 6th, I believe, that was the date we made the dedication to it. So today is Worker Memorial Day. It's a day that we're going to have a vigil up there to honor not only the people that died, but for other workers that are across the country that have died and have got injured on the job.
Now, Dennis, I know that Eric is going to be a speaker tonight, but my understanding is you're going to have an opportunity to say some words and give our audience a sense of what Workers' Memorial Day means for you.
Well, absolutely, Jerry. From a management standpoint, there is nothing that is more tragic than having to have one of our managers go to one of our employees' homes and tell them that there was an accident on the job. However, no matter what the best efforts that we have at PENNDOT, unfortunately, there are accidents that occur. And tonight is a very solemn evening for the management as well as the AFSCME. We work together on many issues, and we're here tonight to respect our fallen in District 4.
Now, Eric, tell us, and actually tell our viewing audience, what tonight will involve from a ceremonial standpoint.
Well, first of all, we're going to have a priest that opens it up, Father Edwards from Holy Rosary. Give like a benediction, you know, some kind of memorial speech. Then myself is going to give some words, followed by Dennis. And then State Representative Kevin Murphy is also going to be involved in it.
We're going to go to our first break right now, simply because I think we're going to get into a little bit more of a deeper discussion on some of the events of tonight and what has led up to those events. So I'm going to ask you guys to hang around here and come back with us, and I ask our audience to come back and join us as we continue here this morning on You Be the Judge.